Thank you for joining us for our XR600R break-in video. We've put the engine back in the bike, filled her up with oil and gas, and we're going to put the engine at top dead center and give her a couple good kicks. We're going to put the piston rings through 2 heat cycles, meaning we'll start the bike, run it for 2 minutes, and then turn the bike off and let it cool for 2 minutes. This allows the piston rings not to stress out in the beginning of their life. For the initial part of our break-in ride, we'll be taking it easy on the bike while the engine warms up. We want it to warm up slowly so that the new metals can conform to each other. After the first 10 to 15 minutes, when the motor is warmed up, we'll shut her down, let her cool for a few minutes, and then we'll head off again for a little bit of a harder ride. Now that the engine is warmed up, it's time to give a few strong passes to really seat those piston rings against the cylinder wall. After the initial ride break-in, it's crucial to drain the oil and get rid of all the metal particles. The piston rings will still be breaking in for the next 500 miles, so keep that in mind when you're riding. And now, it's time to go field test the bike. Always remember to take some tools with you, some extra food and water. You never know what's going to happen, but that's the best part of the adventure.